Hello everyone, this is Lam. Thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to use these colors on this 12 by 12 canvas and I'm going to try out these combs. I've been seeing comb racks a lot, mostly in Mina's channel, and I think it's interesting, so I'm going to give it a try. So I'm layering a flip cup, starting with the red and then purple. And then I'm going to put some gold in it and then move down to my blues and greens. This painting is my instant gratification because I'm still working on the part 2 of my alcohol ink video, and that one is going to be a 3 painting comparison, and it's taking me a lot longer than I expected to edit it, so I just want a quickie to get something out there. And so here I am moving into the turquoise, and this is native turquoise. I love this color. And now it's the greens. I'm just going to do a simple flip cup, nothing fancy. And before that, I'm going to put a white base coat down. But thinking about it, I have to decide between doing a base coat or a pillow, which comes down to, do I want to do the combs before or after the tilt? And so I am tilting out the white, but not all the way. I'm just going to cover most of the canvas, but not let it run off the side just yet. Torch it a little bit, because I was thinking I can flip the cup and then do the combs and tilt it out and see what happens. If I don't like it, I can always do some more combs later. So this is what I'm going to do, but I have to pick out some globs in the white paint. Anyway, flip. I'm not going to drag it too much, just a little bit, but mostly just going to let the flip do its thing. And I really like this color. This color combination is working well. And it already has a kind of interesting pattern here. But I am not someone to just leave things alone. And I think this is the perfect time for me to try out the combs. So here I come. This is the first time I use the combs. So let me see, trying to decide where to put it. Decision. Okay, here it is. I am doing it in a circular motion because I like circles. That looks interesting. So while I am at it, I'm going to do some more. Okay. There, looks like a little spiral. More. This is more fun than I expected. Any more? Any more? Why not? And there is this question between racking in or racking out. So I was moving in and then dragging it out a little bit. Okay, I think that is enough. Any more and it may get too muddy. Now I'm just using the leftover paint on the comb to see if I can get anything out of it, but maybe not. Now let's see how much of it gets tilted off. Okay. So far not bad. I still see a lot of calm lines remaining. And I'm really liking those calm lines in the purples. That is looking like feathers, and I love feathers. It looks kind of like a wing pattern. I like it. And the colors. Now that one on the left is really looking like a wing. And I am really liking that bright turquoise on the right there. So I'm just touching up the corners. And should I now leave it or should I do something else to it? Because I like everything going on and I don't want to disturb it, but there is this patch that looks kind of dead to me. By that I mean a patch of color with nothing much going on. I'm going to torch it a little to buy myself some more time to think what to do next. Well, there are a lot of things I can do. I can do my usual balloon rolls, or I can do cupping, or even string pull. But that always runs the risk of doing too much. I don't want it to look too busy. I just want to have a little pattern there to match the rest of the painting. So, what to do? Okay, I decided to take out the dirty cup that I flipped from, and I want to do some cupping. But then, maybe I should try the comb. I have not done it on paint that is already tilted out, so let's see what happens. Not loving it. Okay, so I take out my cup again and start cupping this time, really doing it. And look at that. There's some nice color that I'm taking out. Some vibrant green and a lot of white. White is a good highlight color and I do need some highlights there. So that is good. And I want a little bit more definition. There's a fine line between making it look good and overdoing it, and I hope I don't cross that line today. So far, it's been looking nice. I'm carefully weighing my options. Where should I put the cup, or should I even put the cup again? Okay, a little bit more. That's good. Try not to disturb the comb lines. Well, not disturb it too much anyway. Any more should I do? Touching up with fingers. Okay, maybe a little bit more. There. And I think that looks pretty good already. and I don't want to do anything too fancy or too crazy that ends up making mud. So I think this is probably a good point to stop. But you know me, I keep staring at it and keep looking for ways to add a little bit more to it. So that patch is really bugging me, that right there. And I keep thinking I should do something to it too. So let's try it. Yeah, I like that. Make a little leaf there. And anything else? And I'm really liking this formation so far. I love the comb lines. And I can see that I'll be using the combs a lot in the future because that works out so well. And that's an easy way to make fancy patterns. But of course, we need to be careful with the combs, or it could get things too messy. But just like anything, practice. If we learn how to do it and when to stop, then it will be fine. Okay, I am doing something to the bottom because I always like the bottom to look as finished as the top. So now it looks good to me. It looks more finished. Because all the flower and leaf, they have nice pattern from top to bottom, and they seem to me to complement the comb lines. So looking great. Just torching it. And I think it is done. Really, this time it is done. And here is some close-up. Look at the comb lines. I really love how they make it look like feathers. And look at the red lacings and gold cells. And that's why I use the Waverly Chalky Marlet color, because that is a good lace maker. And now look at the cupping patterns. It makes such pretty leaves. That is a good complement to the comb lines. So, what do you think? I'm quite happy with this. My first experience with the comb. And here's the dry result. Look, I think it dries beautifully. And I love the colors, and look at the comb lines. Don't they look like feathers? I just love how elegant and effortless they look. And the beautiful gold cells. I just love this piece. Now this piece is available in my Etsy shop. The link to my shop is in the description box. And I think I'll be using the combs a lot more in my future paintings. So stay tuned for videos on how to use the comb to enhance our art. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this, please comment and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Take care.